Yo, what the? It's pouring outside. Look at this. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you guys can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off the front bumper. But also, I'm also going to be changing the front grille. So you guys can see that I don't know if you guys remember, but I basically vinyl wrapped the grille. But then the thing is, I didn't use the proper material. So it's starting to lift off right here. This edge and this edge right here. So if you guys are gonna go the wrap way, just don't use Vivid, because Vivid is good for the trims, don't get me wrong, but for these high tension areas like this over here and here, it's gonna peel back because the material is so thick. Unless you used 3M primer, it's gonna come off. That's the truth, but what can you do? So today we're gonna be installing the black grille, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys how to take off the bumper step by step. It's really not that hard, guys, just pay attention, and just sometimes you'll see me doing things that you may question, but that's just I've taken my bumper at least 3 times, and I hope this is the last time that I have to take it off, because after that I won't need to. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you have to do is just make sure you subscribe or just show some support for the channel, because it takes me quite a bit of time to edit and record those videos, so I would really appreciate it if you could or just subscribe and comment down below what you like or you don't like about the video. But yeah, without further ado, the first thing that you need to take off is this tray over here. You'll see there's these clips right here. Just take all of them off. And to do that, all you need is a flathead screwdriver, or if you have the trim remover tool, whichever one works. Alright, so now that this cover is off right here, we're going to move over here. It's more specifically underneath that black thing over here. So just lift it and get a 10mm ratchet. So just lift this and then you'll find a 10mm bolt right here. Alright, so you guys can actually see it's right here. So you lift this up and then it's right here. Where my little index finger is moving right here? This one. Yeah, this one. Alright, so when you guys move that bolt, there's going to be a bracket that comes off with it. So just make sure you keep it in a safe place. Some people choose to not reinstall it after because it's such a pain, but I would suggest to just install everything back to normal. And just do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll move on to the next step. So once you have those two brackets and bolts thing out, you should be able to start wiggling your bumper around the top part like this. So you should hear some clips unclip like this. So now the next step is to unclip or unbolt the 10 screws under the car that's holding the bumper from with the under tray. Alright guys, sorry if the angle is kind of weird, but again, I'm filming alone here, so okay, so starting from the end over here, there's one, and if you make your way back, you can see a second one, third, and then you keep going till all the way over there, the 10th one. Don't mind these ones because these are for my splitter, but it's you'll know what I'm talking about. It's these 10s, you can see they overlap with the bumper, so just get these 10s out. Oh, and by the way guys, these are all 10mm bolts. I'll tell you guys otherwise if they're not, but so far all of them are 10. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after you take off those bolts. There's 10 ones over there, right there. So once you push down on this black tray over here, you should see it coming down like this, all the way around. Now the last part, no, the second last part, the last part is pulling it, but the second last part, it's kind of tricky. So just pay attention here and just try to follow along, because the first time I did it, I almost took a shit in my pants because it was so scary. I thought I was gonna break it. But yeah, just follow along and you'll be fine. Okay, so for this part, you're gonna want both your front wheels up above the ground, because you're gonna have to turn it depending on which side you're working. So right now I'm working here, so I turn it the other way so I have more space here. But anyways, there's one clip in here. Just take it off. Oh, the clip is right here. I was looking in there. It's right here. Okay, don't worry, that wasn't the scary part. Now is the scary part. So what you're gonna have to do is pull out on this bumper. You see how it's flexible? Yeah, so don't be scared, just pull like towards you. And then while you're doing that, you're gonna wanna take this black part and then pull it out of the way. Like this. And then over here, where these two, like the fender and the bumper are connecting, you're gonna see another 10 mil. So just undo that and then do the same on the other side. And oh, just one more thing, for this side, you might, for this bolt, you might want to take a ratchet, like an extension, because I don't think my ratchet fits in there. Yeah, it doesn't, so I need an extension. So it turns out I need an even smaller ratchet because this is too big. You just have to loosen it and then you can do the rest by hand. So just do the same thing on this side, which is this side. Just do the same thing over here, and then we'll take it off. Alright guys, now at the moment you guys all been waiting for, we're gonna pull it out. Now just a heads up, if you have the like those sensors, don't pull, just be very careful when you pull it out. But if you don't, still be very careful because the fog lights are still attached. Now since I'm not gonna be taking off any of these like things, I'm just gonna be pulling it so I can have access to the grill. And yeah, but like the rest you guys can figure it out because it's just like screws and stuff, so yeah. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. And for those of you that are here for the grill install, just stick around. I'm gonna do that, but like this video is mainly for like how to take off the bumper because since a lot of you guys have been requesting it and I gave it to you guys. So please do like and subscribe. I do really appreciate the support. And yeah, almost at 1,000 subs. I don't know how I'm gonna celebrate it yet, but I just want to say thank you guys for everything. And see you guys in the next one. Alright, for you guys that are here for the grill, you guys are the real one. Thank you for watching this far. But basically, like the entire bumper itself, it's just 10 mil like bolts holding it in the back. So just get a 10 mil bolt, a 10 mil ratchet, and just undo it. Yo guys, I'm so dumb. I've been yanking away at this grill for like the past 10 minutes, wondering why it's not coming off. And then I see this, that this is blocking the grill. Alright guys, so here's a side-by-side comparison. Now you guys might not see a lot of difference right now, but here, let me show you guys. And the one I have wrapped, well, first of all, this is wrapped, so if I peel this back, it's all chrome. Like you can see, it's starting to peel back right here. So that's chrome, and this is gray. But the Eau Rouge grill, this whole thing is black. And so what you have to transfer from the old one to the new one is the logo, because they don't give you one. And also, you're gonna have to transfer the camera, focus. Yeah, so the camera from here to this one. So let me do that and then we'll put it back on the car. Alright guys, I moved the emblem and the camera onto the new grill. And yo, let me tell you, this thing is looking so sick. Look at this. Bro, I can't wait till I put it on. All black. Oh yeah, and if you guys didn't know, that was basically the last thing to black out my car, because I got everything black now. I got the grill, I got the trims, I got this everything lip kit black, I got my roof black. Oh, and I have a video for that guys, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, everything is complete now. Oh, and I'm also lowered now, so Yeah, and next year the plan is to get some wheels. If everything goes as planned, I'll be a very happy boy. So now I'm just gonna put everything back on the car and make sure everything is tight and fits right. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching the videos and liking if you did like, and also subscribe. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.